Okay. This is my homemade spot welder. I've used relay 12 volt 200 amp car relay, and then a series of relays here going to the relay, from here to the relay. And then this is the monitor of the voltage, and then I've used a timer from a laundry of washing machine to charge the lead acid truck battery. So I'm going to show you how this thing operates later. Then first, see. So that's how the timer works. And then it will register here. There, that's the input. Yes, to minimize the voltage coming in, going here to the relay system. Even though I'm charging it using the spot welder and charging it one at a time, still the consistency of the spot welder is maintained. It will not burn out the lithium ion battery cells. Okay, I'm going to start using it now. Next side. See, that's clean. It's not burned out, and the weld is strong. I'll show you one sample. Here's one of the lithium ion that I've tried earlier, and then here's the new nickel strip, and again, then we'll see how strong the weld is. Make it stable. Okay, and then let's try to remove it so that you'll see how strong the band or the wheel. See, it's very, very strong. Very strong wheel. See? Oh, almost. It's hard to remove. Okay? I hope you can learn from this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.